Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to new video historical. So right now we have come here at the final place. As we can see, actually, as we are Swility, so we should come sometimes in this place. And this is a tea garden. So look at the view, guys. This is a tea garden, and the natural beauty actually amazing, mind-blowing, fascinating. So if you do care, you can visit this type of place so that you can remove your inertia, you can remove your boringness, and you will focus your work, or you can focus your study so that you will be a good man, right? So for this reason actually I have come here, and today I'm over the moon after coming here, and the circumstances actually too much amazing, actually mind-blowing, I can say, because I don't know what to explain it. But today I will talk about one thing, that is how you can practice with the natural way, with natural view. Okay, so first of all, if you wanna speak with a natural view, first of all you have to wander some place like this type of place, and not only this place but also another place, like it can be market, it can be waterfall, it can be tea garden, it can be any kinds of thing, right? So for this reason you must wander, you must visit somewhere to speak, to get your to practice with them. Like right now I'm going you one example that how can you practice your speaking English with these different types of thing. Like this is a tree, I can say this is a tree. Actually, this is the color, the tree's color is green, and I like very much, right? And this is a tea garden, right? This is a tea garden, but there are so many tea gardens available. It's a part by part. They have made it part by part, like but next to this garden there are one path where people are walking on this path, on this road, right? And in front of me, as you can see, there are so many trees available, but I don't know what is the name of these trees. Okay, so if you know, let me below the comment actually what is the main name this type of trees. Okay, so in this way you can practice your speaking English. And as you can know, we should not as you can see the natural beauty, and as you can see the tea leaves actually day by day is going on. And after that labor will take this leaf for collecting, for making tea. And this tea where we will collect from a market. Okay, first of all they have first of all actually they will take this type of tree, and they actually, what can I say, okay, so for this reason, in this way actually you can practice your speaking English. So actually I have come here to visit this place, and I'm accustomed to come here, and actually it's a part of my village, I can say. So for this reason I've come here, and I think I should make in this area, because the area is too much beautiful. When I come here, I get so many energy to make video, to do those such kind of thing, that that gives me immense pleasure, right? So that's the thing. Actually I don't want to make it longer. If you will like this video, you can like, and let me below in the comment actually how is it look like, this place. If you are you like this place, and when you will get, you will face so many trouble, you will get so many problem. But I think we should not we should as a learner, we should not be what can I say, actually we should not stop our learning journey. Okay, so for this reason actually I'm also learning English, so pray for me so that I can be a fluent speaker. Assalamu alaikum.